In a remarkable attempt to facilitate audibly impaired individuals, tech giant Apple's AirPods are on the way to be used as hearing aids in Britain. Until now, the AirPods Pro 2 in the UK possessed the feature allowing users to test hearing, but it doesn't ramp it up. Whereas in other countries, including the US, the gadget can be used to assist in hearing. The development was conveyed by lawmakers in the UK on Thursday. Given that tens of thousands of people in the UK with mild or moderate hearing loss will become the ultimate beneficiaries of the Apple AirPods 2. In this regard, Apple has announced to roll out a software update for the Apple AirPods Pro 2 in the coming weeks, ensuring the feature's swift and efficient working. The software update will reportedly be designed per guidance issued by the Department of Health and Social Care. Driven by confusion concerning the regulations in the country, patients with hearing problems could only receive hearing aids if they had a prescription from a doctor. The development indicates that hearing aid tests offered by companies like Apple and other tech giants will be viable to solely rely on their related software. This ease of access exemplifies the removal of pointless regulation that suffocates innovation, as stated by Wes Streeting, a health secretary at DHSC.